guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm just going to show you that how to change our ringtone in Facebook Messenger app. That's quite simple and easy to do, so let me show you how to do that. So first of all, open up your Messenger app, and then after that just simply click on these two lines on the top left, and then here you will get a gear in front of your username. Just simply tap on that gear and just scroll a little bit, and here you get the option of notifications and sounds after the avatar, and just simply tap on that option. Here you see the option of ringtone and the like second number. Just tap on that ringtone, and there are multiple choices for you which ringtone you want to choose. Just choose the ringtone and like in this way, and just like this, and go back. So this is how you can easily change a ringtone on Facebook Messenger app. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me a comment below and I'll be catching you on the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel.